also wish to add a whiteboard either to an existing team or directly within a team. To add an existing whiteboard to an existing team, open the Whiteboard app or online or via your desktop or iPad. Select the Invite Someone button and choose the 3 dots. Here you can post to the team or take a sharing link, which can be copied, and use the Add New Tab button to create a web link. Paste your link and name your tab. Once Save is selected, a new tab at the top of your board will be available to all team participants. This will allow them to see the following 3 options. Selecting View in the app means your whiteboard will appear within the team. If you no longer wish to have that available, select the down arrow, right-click over and click Remove. Additionally, you may wish to add the whiteboard directly within your team. This is often the preferred method. Select Add New Tab and Add Whiteboard. You'll be asked to name your whiteboard and save. The AI will generate a whiteboard and make it visible to everyone in your team. Once this feature has been selected, your whiteboard is available. You can also still open it in the pop-up window or using the cog in the top right corner of your whiteboard. Select a range of options, including exporting the whiteboard from your team as an image, which can then be printed, or turning editing on or off. Again, should you no longer wish to have a whiteboard available to your team, right-click and remove. Shared whiteboards will always remain within your Glow account until deleted, as can be seen here. To remove any whiteboards, simply select the 3 dots at the ID bar. Here you'll be able to give the option to export it as an image or PDF or delete it. You can also invite participants or rename it. Deleting your whiteboard cannot be undone.